make spicy brinjal disc, here I am using a brinjal like this, which I have cut into circular disc. Here I have taken 12 to 15, this is garlic cloves, 4 to 5 green chilies, this is 1 inch ginger, few curry leaves which I have chopped for tadka. This is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 bowl of coriander leaves, salt to taste. I am going to make the paste of coriander leaves, ginger, garlic and chili. This will be a dry paste. For dry spices, I will be mixing some masala. So that is half teaspoon of this is garam masala, another half teaspoon of turmeric powder, around half teaspoon of coriander powder, around 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of this is cumin seeds powder, and half teaspoon of this is amchur powder. I am going to just mix this well. This is the ratio of spices what I am using. So in a jar goes in the chilies, the garlic, the ginger and the coriander leaves, and this goes in for grinding. So now here you can see the paste is ready. Now I am going to start to make the dish. So start to heat up a pan. To this I'll add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Keep the flame on a medium heat. Add the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter. Add the chopped curry leaves. Now once the curry leaves and mustard seeds splutter, add the brinjal disc to it. Keep the flame on a medium heat, low to medium heat. This is a slow process, but this dish is really very tasty and very delicious. Keep the flame on a low heat. Apply the paste. On this, sprinkle around 1 teaspoon of the mixed masala. Salt to taste. Now change the side and cook the other side till they turn light golden in color. Keep the flame on a low heat so that the brinjal is cooked properly. If you keep the flame on a high heat or medium heat, brinjals will just burn before cooking and the taste will be spoiled. Add around a tablespoon of oil. Now I'll cover this and cook for around 5 minutes or till the brinjals are done. So after 1 minute, just open the lid. Turn the brinjals the other side. Now I'll again cover the lid and cook. Add oil a tablespoon or 2 as and when required. Just toss the other side and cook the other side too till it turns golden in color. Cook this dish with lid covered. Finally switch off the flame. Serve this with simple dal rice, maybe puris or parathas. That will also work very nice with this. You can follow this recipe with potato and bottle gourd too. That will too turn out very delicious and very tasty.